Welcome to Programming KT. I am explaining about how to download and install VS Code on Windows 11. So, open any one of your favorite browser. So, I am trying to open. I already opened Microsoft Edge. Then type VS Code download. So here it is already suggesting Windows VS Code download for Windows 11. So this is the official website code.visualstudiocode.com. So click on that first link. So then select any one of your operating system. So which operating system you are trying to install, Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So then installer, system installer, zip and CLI. So I am trying to download this one, user installer. So anyway, I'm clicking on this Windows download button. So it is asking the file location where I want to save. So I am trying to save D drive softwares folder, save it. So here the file size will be 93 MB. So once the file is downloaded, go to that file location. So D drive softwares, this is the recent file, right? So double click on it. So I already installed VS Code on my machine. I'm trying to show you how to download and install. So once the file is downloaded, you need to click on accept and agreement. You need to select this radio button. So it will ask like leave everything default until unless you don't know. Just click on install. I think I already installed it, but why? Let me see. When it will show that pop up already installed or something like that, some information. So in your case, if we are trying to install a first time, so it will ask like first time one pop up, or you want to install the software on your machine. Click on yes and leave everything default. Finally, click on finish. So I think here it is. It is overriding my previous installation. Yeah, it is override. It is installed successfully. Anyway, so it is already launched. I think 1 minute. It is launching. Yeah, yeah. This is the homepage about Visual Studio Code.